Hey, hello everyone, good to see you all on this video. And in this video, I'm going to unbox this package from MaxiB. Again, one from MaxiB. Yeah, this is the one that I am eagerly waiting, and I also mentioned this in my previous video from MaxiB unboxing. This is the display of the Vivo V7, I guess so. Maybe the product name or the brand name is maybe the model number is not good, and also the daughter board of my Nokia 6.1 Plus for the charging purpose. I guess so. I have the problem in the charging. Let's get inside and then we can able to see whether MaxB sent us this one perfectly aligned for my device, or apart from that anything else. Okay, buy max, pay less. Nice, but sometimes the payment will get fail. Even in Google Pay, also I faced the issue like it is mentioning payment to this gateway is not good. Scammers maybe like that warning I received, but I don't know why. Let's get inside. This is the special package from MaxiV. Always they used to provide rubber bands for their cushion purpose, for their packing purpose. And what is this? Yeah, here is this is the data board of that phone. Okay, this is another video. I'll make it, and here it is. This is the display for that Vivo. I already mentioned, similar to the package of my Lumia 1020. Hmm, more cushion, more happy. So here they mention like a Vivo V7 black display glass combo folder. Yeah, it is having the display. Here it is, and also this what you can say that all top glass. Yeah, if possible you can get top glass a separate one also. That is the thing. But in my case, all display is gone. Even some black dots. I hope you have seen those things, right? As of now, that phone is not booting up due to low battery, but it will be the next video. Hope you will get subscribe this account, and you'll follow me for the update. Anyway, it's me Farmika signing off. Meet you all guys in my next video. Peace.